I think we all have this sense of frustration. Something that is so important and so fundamental to our work life has gotten so complicated. Why does it have to be this way? And maybe the better question is, can it be different?
We're going to have another safety seminar.
Oh, God help us!
Hi, I'm Rachel Walla, and I created SnapFox Safety to provide safety solutions for small businesses. I got my start in safety a little bit differently than most. I grew up in a small family-owned business of logging and construction in Montana. So I saw firsthand the challenges that small businesses have in getting contracts, meeting requirements, and growing their businesses. I went to college and got a degree in occupational safety and health.
A lot of people go to college for 7 years.
I mean, it wasn't 7 years, but I studied safety, so it kind of felt that way. I spent the next 6 years on the West Coast in both construction and general industry. And what I found over and over was that safety was a stumbling block for businesses when it should have been a stepping stone. I worked with construction companies who were constantly adjusting to try to meet the needs of the site owners. And then I worked as a safety manager and struggled to bring on good contractors because they didn't have the necessary safety background.
So you can imagine my frustration as safety officer.
I decided to leave the world of corporate safety and find my own path. Over time, I found that the contractors that I had been working with started coming to me with questions that they had about how they could use safety as a tool to actually grow their businesses. We proactively solved problems so that they were able to get bigger and better contracts. It felt like we were actually making progress when it came to safety. But I couldn't help but notice, everything had to be built from the ground up. There wasn't really a user-friendly solution out there for small businesses. So I thought, there has to be a better way than this. And then I realized my customers were telling me every day what they needed, and all I needed to do was build the solutions for them. So in 2017, I started my own business. We started out with written health and safety programs that are required by OSHA and made them easy for businesses to customize to their operation.
Hey, that's just crazy enough to work.
From there, we added online safety consulting because I found that many of my clients needed some specialized safety expertise but weren't necessarily at that point where they were ready to hire a full-time safety professional.
Thank you. I like that.
And lastly, this year we're hoping to add safety training videos. Why? Because training can be entertaining.
I knew it!
Safety, when it's done right, actually helps a business grow and thrive by increasing efficiency, not stunting it. So come on in, check out the website, and let us know how we can help you. We're here to do safety better.